Today we are here to learn another new way to make money online, which is earning USDT from a certain website which you will receive or which you will invest or perform any task. Just register and leave it. After some time, go and check your earnings growing for you to also withdraw it to your Binance or Bit African account for free and make cool cash yourself. Without wasting my time, let me take you straight to the website for you to also know how it works. Okay. The website name is momon.finance, and I will leave the website link in the video description below so that when you click on it, it will direct you straight to the website for you to also register. It is nothing difficult, and just your email, your name, and your password, then you are good to go. I'll show you. I'll give you a bonus tip on this video, so please watch this video to the end. Here is my earnings. I withdraw to USDT, which is $2 from this site yesterday. Today is 24th, and yesterday is 25th. So I'll show you everything in step by step. Yes, here is my withdrawal. Here is my withdrawal message. Withdrawn 2022 September 23rd, blah 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 blah, and it came 24th. Yes, so any redeem, blah blah blah. Yes, so here is my name, President blah blah. I use the channel name to register everything here, and when you click on withdraw button here, when I click on redeem redemption, the 99, when you check the profit value, the 99.67 USDT will be withdrawn to my wallet here, and from there I will withdraw to my wallet, my USDT wallet. So that's how it works. It is nothing difficult, and it is easy. You won't do anything, just register it. Just click on register, your name, which is your username, your email, and your password. You are good to go. It is not difficult at all. Another way you can also make money from this site is by clicking on invite friends and copy your link and share it to your friends for them to register, and you people will also make money together. Yeah, so let me show you my email, the email they sent to me. The mail they sent to me to account. Yes, that's a Momo N, and I withdraw $2 from that, and my mail is here. My account balance notification. Yes, September 24th. Then I received the amount. It is easy, and it is nothing difficult. So if you want to make money online without doing anything, just check the video description below and click on the link to register it successfully for you to also enjoy cool cash for yourself. And here is the bonus tip for you. If you want to shortlink this site on your phone or your laptop, just let me show you something. When you click on when you go to any website and you don't want to forget the website name, or you want to check it regularly day in day out, don't write it down. Click on the upper right hand corner of the screen. Yes, click on it. Boom, the thing will be the site will be added to your apps or the icons on your machine. So if you want to check on it, you won't waste my time on that. And when you click on it, it will direct you straight to the site without wasting my time on it. So here is the app we shorten on the platform. Yes, so please subscribe to the channel and share it to your friends for them to also know how an eligible site they can make money from. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Bye bye.